Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. The dog can run. Again. The dog can run. Your turn to read, children. My pet is a cat. Again. My pet is a cat. Your turn to read, children. The cat can walk. Again. The cat can walk. Your turn to read, children. My hair is long. Again. My hair is long. Your turn to read, children. The bird can fly. Again. The bird can fly. Your turn to read, children. My bed is pink. Again. My bed is pink. Your turn to read, children. The pig is fat. Again. The pig is fat. Your turn to read, children. My dad can sing. Again. My dad can sing. Your turn to read, children. The bag is red. Again. The bag is red. Your turn to read, children. My pen is blue. Again. My pen is blue. Your turn to read, children. The fish can swim. Again. The fish can swim. Your turn to read, children. My car is clean. Again. My car is clean. Your turn to read, children. The girl is happy. Again. The girl is happy. Your turn to read, children. My mama can dance. Again. My mama can dance. Your turn to read, children. The boy can jump. Again. The boy can jump. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. The dog can run. My pet is a cat. The cat can walk. My hair is long. The bird can fly. My bed is pink. The pig is fat. My dad can sing. The bag is red. My pen is blue. The fish can swim. My car is clean. The girl is happy. My mama can dance. The boy can jump. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.